In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix 404 errors using the Redirection WordPress plugin. First, head to your WordPress.com dashboard and open the Sites section. This is where you'll choose the site you want to work on. Once you're looking at the correct site, open the Plugins area. If you don't see plugins, you may need to switch to a supported plan or ensure you're managing the right site, but keep following along so you know exactly what to look for. In the Plugins screen, use the search bar to find the Redirection plugin. Type the word redirection and look for the well-established plugin with a clear focus on 301 redirects and 404 tracking. Open the plugin card to view more details, then click through to the full redirection plugin page so you can confirm it's the right tool for your needs. On the plugin page, start with the overview that highlights what redirection does. It manages 301 redirects, tracks 404 errors, and helps improve your site without needing server-level knowledge. This is a great sign you're in the right place if your goal is to fix broken links and consolidate old URLs to new ones. Next, review the Description tab to understand the core features and common use cases. Move to the Installation section to see how it's added to your WordPress.com site. Checking the changelog is a smart step to confirm it's actively maintained and compatible with your version of WordPress. The FAQs tab is especially helpful for common scenarios like migrating content or handling URL patterns. Finally, glance at related plugins to see alternatives, though redirection is often the go-to for this job. When you're ready, click Get Started. WordPress.com will guide you through connecting the plugin to a site. If prompted, you'll land on a flow to set up or connect a domain. Use the search field to look up a domain if you need one, or choose the option to bring your existing domain over to WordPress.com. Follow the prompts, provide any requested details, and continue through the confirmation screens. Keep an eye out for plan requirements, as installing plugins on WordPress.com may require an upgraded plan. After you complete the flow and the plugin is added to your site, you're set up to address 404s. Redirection will let you map out dated or broken URLs to the correct destinations and monitor error logs so you can catch issues early. Once everything is in place, test a few known broken links to confirm they now redirect properly, and revisit the plugin settings to refine rules as your site evolves. This approach keeps visitors on track, preserves search